RCIL presents fun facts about the ADA, or Americans with Disabilities Act. Did you know the Americans with Disabilities Act became a law in 1990? The ADA is a civil rights law that prohibits discrimination against individuals with disabilities in all areas of public life, including jobs, schools, and transportation. The purpose of the laws is to make sure that people with disabilities have the same rights and opportunities as everyone else. Did you know Title II of the ADA prohibits discrimination against qualified individuals with disabilities in all programs, activities, and services of public entities? It applies to all state and local governments, their departments, and agencies. For example, it would be illegal for a public transportation company to not have wheelchair-accessible transportation ability. Did you know the ADA Act enables the IRS to provide tax credits for small business owners who make their businesses ADA accessible? In short, the ADA can make you and your customers both pretty happy. And did you know the ADA grants equal access to employment opportunities for a person with a disability who works at a business with 15 or more employees? And that's just a few ways the ADA Act is helping change people's lives every day.